Congratulations on the purchase of your Billy custom fashion bicycle. Before you get riding, we got to get you ready for the runway. So, take your time and unpack bicycle carefully. Place your bicycle and all parts on a flat protected surface, cardboard or carpeted area. Throughout the process, don't force anything. When referring to right and left side of the bicycle, the right side is the chain guard side. The tools you will need are included in the large box in a small box. You have a crescent wrench, 2 Allen wrenches, and you'll need a Phillips screwdriver from your home. Carefully lift bike in upright position. While holding the bike upright, lift your front fork and line up wheel axle with fork slot on each side. Lower front fork down and secure wheel axle firmly into slot. You may now place kickstand down so the bike is supported. Adjust using your crescent wrench and tighten the right axle bolt snugly. Repeat on left side. Make sure the wheel is centered between fork evenly. Locate the long screw, washer, and nut in the clear bag labeled, quote, front fender hardware. Carefully slide the front fender through the front fork. Line up the fender tab with the hole in the fork. Slide the screw through the fork hole and fender tab. Push fender tab up so that there is distance between the top of the tire and the fender. Hold in place while tightening screw firmly using your crescent wrench and the Phillips head screwdriver as shown. Screw fender brace screws into frame. Install 2 right side braces using your crescent wrench. Repeat on the left side of the bicycle. Next is your handlebar installation. Insert the handlebar post into the neck tube of the bike in the proper direction. Once aligned using the number 6 Allen wrench, turn the expansion bolt on the top side of the neck stem clockwise and tighten firmly. Next is your pedal installation. Very important. There is a left pedal and a right pedal. These are marked, and the crank arms on your bike are marked as well. You must use the correct pedal in the correct side of the bike. Next is the rear fender installation. Remove the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver by turning counterclockwise. Now, take the braces one at a time and align the brace hole with the screw hole. Reinsert the screw and lightly tighten using your Phillips head screwdriver. Tighten more firmly using your crescent wrench so that you do not strip the screw hole tightening. None of your fender braces should rub the tire. If they do, readjust or manipulate the braces by hand. Seat installation. Turn your seat over and slightly loosen the bolts on each side of the post hardware. Now, rotate the seat to about a 70-degree angle. Tighten the same 2 bolts back in order to firmly hold seat into place. Next, insert seat post into the frame tube. Raise or lower your seat to the desired height and then tighten the seat post clamp using your number 5 Allen wrench. It's time to do your final safety check. So, starting at the front of your bike, work your way back, checking to make sure all hardware is nice and snug. Congratulations! If you have completed all of the above items, you are now ready for the runway.